ITR-5 is a tax return form used by entities like firms, LLPs, Association of Persons, AOPs, Body of Individuals, BOIs, and other similar entities. It's designed to capture the income details of these entities, ensuring they meet their tax obligations. If your entity falls under any of these categories, this guide is for you. Eligibility criteria. You are required to file ITR-5 if your entity is a firm, an LLP limited liability partnership, an association of persons AOP, a body of individuals BOI, an artificial juridical person, a cooperative society, a local authority, any other entity not covered under ITR-7. Benefits of filing ITR-5. Filing ITR-5 offers several benefits. Simplified filing process. The form is designed to make the filing process straightforward. Legal compliance ensures your entity meets its tax obligations, avoiding penalties. Financial record serves as a documented proof of income and tax paid. Eligibility for loans helps in loan applications as it provides a clear financial picture of your entity. Tax refunds allows you to claim refunds for any excess tax deducted. Required documents for filing ITR-5. To file ITR-5, you will need the following documents: personal information, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and bank account details. Income proof bank statements, cash book, invoices, bills for sales and services, details of other income like interest and dividends. Tax deduction and payment proof, Form 1616A for TDS, advance tax payment receipts, self-assessment tax payment receipts. Expense proof, rent receipts for office premises, utility bills related to business, professional expenses bills. Additional documents, GST registration details, proof of investments for claiming deductions. Let Jurolegal handle your ITR-5 filing with precision and care. Our team of experts streamlines the paperwork, reduces your compliance burden, and maximizes your tax benefits. With Jurolegal, you can be confident that your tax return is accurate and submitted on time, ensuring full compliance with tax regulations. We offer personalized support and detailed guidance throughout the process, making it hassle-free for you. Choose Jurolegal for a seamless ITR-5 filing experience and focus on what matters most: growing your business. We hope this guide has made the process of filing ITR-5 clearer and easier for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and happy filing.